let's do a log regression for 2, 1, 3, 4, and 4, 7. So I'm using the TI-89 simulator I found online. It's called TI-89-simulator.com. Pretty cool website. So go over to apps and then scroll to the choices where it says data matrix editor, punch on that. And then choose the one that says new, hit new. And then from there where it says data, click over to the right, scroll down to list. And then scroll down and give it a name. So I'm going to call, for example, R. Give it a name of some kind and then click enter. And keep doing it until it brings you to a list like this. So here you're going to have to enter the data. So the x coordinates 2, the 3, and the 4 will go into C1. So enter them in there. So you hit 2 and then you hit enter. Then you hit 3, hit enter. Then you hit 4 and you hit enter. And then just tab over and again scroll up this way. And then go to the following. The y coordinates will go in C2, the dependent one. So that's going to be here 1, hit enter. From there it's going to be 4, hit enter. And then from there it's going to be 7, hit enter. And that's all you really need to do. Now hit F5, go to calc, F5. And where it says calculation type 2var, scroll over. And then from this list, make sure you select ln-reg, log regression. So choice 6 that is. And then hit enter. Punch down the line, you need to enter the lists in here. So for the x coordinates, the 2, 3, and 4, you got to hit alpha, and then hit the C button, make sure it says C in there. And then you hit the 1, so make sure it says C1. Punch down the line. And then again, if you just hit this way, you see it's a parentheses, alpha, and then the right parentheses button has the C, and it puts the C in there. And then hit 2 next to it. And then just hit enter. If you want, what you can do is, where it says store the regression equation, hit to the right, and you can store it, for example, in 1y of x. And then just hit enter, and there's your equation, well, the coefficients for the equation. So to put them together into an equation, you would say the following. The model is y is equal usually to a plus b ln of x. And in this case, it's going to look like the following. Y is equal to a. The a is negative 5.082507 plus, and the b in our case is this, 8.57365, and then ln of x. And then this is basically the answer you're looking for. Thanks so much. Please leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Remember, this website is called TI-89-simulator.com.